News Talk 1010 Broadcast Center in downtown Toronto.
Good afternoon, it's 3 o'clock. I'm Claude Faig with your News Talk 1010 update. Currently -2. Freezing rain and ice pellets are accumulating throughout the GTA and beyond. High winds will also impact conditions, while Jurassic Park forced to close today. These stories and more are coming up at first. Time to check your drive with News Talk 1010 Time Saver Traffic.
With every collision that clears, a new one transpires. Westbound 401 Express at Kiel. I'm looking at least the left lane blocked. Low visibility through that stretch. Fire and emergency crews on scene. Coinciding with the delays, eastbound 401 collectors approaching Nielsen. 2 right lanes there. The opposite ends of the city are blocked with collisions. I spoke on Nielsen. The northbound on-ramp from Winston Churchill blocked for a vehicle rollover. We might still have this issue eastbound 401. Past the 427 at Dixon Martin Grove, the right lane was blocked. I'm looking at westbound QEW, just in the process of being cleared. The second from right lane, a block past the 427. The tows look to be taking care of it. Anyways, it is backed up from the 427. Thankfully, we can clear this issue as well. Westbound 403 west of here, Ontario. For Time Saver Traffic, I'm Michael DiMascio. Your next report, 3:15.
The ice storm has arrived in the GTA, a combination of freezing rain and ice pellets making for very dangerous and hazardous conditions. Mix in some high winds and it could become quite treacherous with power lines and trees in its path on Sunday. We may have actually dodged a bit of a bullet early on with this storm. Here's Environment Canada's Peter Kimball.
So far the storm is actually transpiring more or less as we thought. I was a little bit nervous for a while when we had more freezing rain this morning than ice pellets, but we knew that there would be a transition. We expected it to transition over mostly to ice pellets, and that seems to be now occurring.
Now out towards the Golden Horseshoe, higher amounts of freezing rain are expected. Same for areas including Brampton, Mississauga, Richmond Hill, Vaughan, Markham, Durham Region, and Cobourg. Very much coated with ice as we speak. The north and east also looking at snowfall amounts of 15 to 25 centimeters. Some areas could experience whiteout conditions as the winds kick up. Grey County to Barrie, as far east as Brockville, in the eye of the snowstorm. The weather also wreaking havoc in Jurassic Park. The Raptors tip with the Washington Wizards in Game 1 of their Eastern Conference Playoff Series at 5:30. But Maple Leaf Square, a.k.a. Jurassic Park, a staple for fans to cheer on their teams, will be closed because of the weather. Maple Leaf Sports and Entertainment confirmed the closure earlier this afternoon. No word, of course, so far if the actual game will be postponed or not.